Harsh, wait.
No.
Harsh, you have to pick my calls.
No. Yeah, they are here. Loudly say something. Hello, Sicilian. We clearly won.
Hi, this is Nupur Pandya, the creativator at Creative Crazy. Been an 11-year-old member with BNI. I've had various roles at BNI. I have been the president of my chapter BNI Entrepreneurial. I've been a legacy chair for Symposium and been a senior DC for training. Today, I'm a training director at BNI.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Tanna. I am the director and founder at H2O Cars Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad's largest and finest car detailing studio since over 16 years. In my BNI journey, I have been a member of Atlas for the past 9 years in fact, and I've had also several roles in Atlas. I've been a past president in Atlas, and currently I am a senior support director for BNI Ahmedabad.
And for my chapter.
And for Entrepreneurial.
Yes.
So well, my entrepreneur journey started when I was very young, at just 21 years of age. I was highly fascinated with cars, and I was too much into cars. Whenever I see a sports car or a luxury exotic vehicle, I was very sure that I wanted to start something around cars. That's how Ahmedabad's first car detailing studio came into place, which is H2O Cars Spa. 16 years down the line, and we are Ahmedabad's largest and most trusted car detailing studio. We have done several cars till date, in fact over 30,000 plus cars, from a Nano to a Ferrari to a Rolls Royce to a private jet. Again, I was the first in India to ceramic coat a private jet, and I am living my dream right now.
Wow. Well, Harsh, exactly like you, I did not have one Bollywood moment with background music playing that this is the time that you decided what you want to be. So for me, I think I was always just creating a lot of beautiful stuff. And that's how I just made my son's birth announcement. Since then, I got my first order for my birth announcement, and there's no looking back. 11 years down the line, we are now doing Diwali hampers, we're doing corporate hampers, we're doing personal gifting, we do wedding gifting, we do employee onboarding kits. It's like a world of a lot of beauty. And I just want to let people know that business does not have to be all corporate and cold, it can be warm. And that's exactly what we do at Creative Crazy. We just wrap feelings in a very, very good gift and give it out. So that's how my journey began.
And in fact, I can relate to you. I have been her client as well. And the kind of gifting and solutions that Nupur provides is just out of the box and very creative.
Thank you. Thank you.
So starting in the car detailing itself was a huge leap of thing that I started. In fact, people were not aware of what car detailing is. They were not fully aware of what ceramic coating is, what paint protection films are, or what car detailing is, right? So taking this decision of starting a car detailing industry here in Ahmedabad itself was a huge decision for us. The second thing was, of course, joining BNI. Now I can say that I'm deeply committed to BNI as well. Again, networking every week for the past 9 years is not easy at all, and doing that every week on week is also not easy. You have to stay consistent, and as everyone says, if you stay consistent, the compounding of that consistency gives you huge success as well. So yes, of course, BNI has been a huge leap for me as well. How has it gone for you, Nupur?
So I've had a lot of leaps, but I think I want to mention the one that's the most important one. There's a funny thing about rejections. It's not about that this door is closed, but it's about there's something else for you. I'd visited BNI Olympus as a visitor. I was curious, I was intrigued, but I was not committed. And they overlooked my application.
Wow.
That's where the shift, yeah, wow indeed. That's where the shift happened, and that's where I knew that I have to be in this system, I have to be here. And it was not to prove something to them, it was just because I think I got my calling. I joined Entrepreneurial. I became a president in the first 3 months.
Wow.
I was the longest running president for the chapter, and it was not, like I said, to prove a point to them. Because then when you're committed to something, you don't want to just be a part of the system. You want to lead. You want to make a change. You want to make a difference. And 11 years back when I joined, we were only selling diaries and birth announcements. Cut to 11 years today, we are selling from paper to print and everything in between. From a pen to Lamborghini experiences in Dubai, which we've done. Thanks to Harsh, actually, he helped me through that one. But we are doing it all. So I think for me, the biggest leap of faith has been joining BNI.
Same with me also. In fact, Nupur, when I remember I was a visitor in Atlas, my mic used to shake when I was speaking. Right now, you put in front of me of 10,000 people also, I can speak. So again, BNI has played a major role in shaping what I am right now. And of course, even I was a president in Atlas in almost 1 year, not 3 months, but 1 year's time. And again, it has taught us a lot in what I am today. And of course, thank you so much for the system. And let's see how it pans up.
Yeah. So I usually ask myself one question. Are you creating something beautiful? Are you making a difference? Or is it just looking good on Instagram? So I run 3 different businesses. Creative Crazy, which is into corporate and personal gifting. Creative Crazy Studio, where we do a lot of designing, wedding cards, brand identity. And Pickle, which is a pickleball accessory brand where I'm a co-founder. For me, they are not 3 different businesses. They are the same business with the same heart and the same love language about creating something beautiful. So whenever I choose something new, it has to fit into the space of creating something beautiful, making a difference. After that, irrespective, however shiny or however profitable it is, it does not set into my scheme of things. But knowing you, Harsh, I think you have a similar ideology. I want to know about you.
So just like you, I don't run, first of all, multiple businesses. My heart is completely into car spa. That, as I said, is my passion, which I turned into profession. But then I use 3 filters. Does it create and align with my brand value? Number 1. Number 2, does it create long-term relationships or just short-term revenue? And number 3, does it help me grow as a person or a leader, right? If something ticks either these 2 boxes, it's a yes, or else for me it's a no.
I think that's a very good one, and I'm going to take back something from that. So honestly, community is not everything. It's the entire foundation. For me, mentorship has not been a formal thing. It's been over chai and coffee with similar entrepreneurs who've talked to me about their struggles, their sales strategies, their finances, and all of that. But the real lesson, I used to think community building or networking is all about collecting business cards and getting a reference. But I think I was wrong. I believe now it's about building relationships. The chapter that celebrates your wins and the chapter that stands beside you while you're struggling, that's your main community. Having a community of people who've seen you be a superhero and a mess and still stand by you anyway, that's not just valuable, that's sacred. And that's what community is for me.
I've seen that personally with Anthropos. In fact, I can vouch for that.
I know. It's really close to my heart.
Super.
But tell me about you, Harsh.
It's played a massive role, in fact, Nupur. Networking for me was very new. BNI has helped me become a better leader. It has taken me out of my comfort zone, right? I would like to, in fact, personally give a huge thank you to Yash. He had faith in me, he trusted me, he has helped me become a better leader. He has given me the top positions of BNI also, where I can prove myself to me as well. Besides that, I've grown a lot of friends, not only friends, but they are family now, in fact, and they've helped me also grow. They've also taken me out of my comfort zones to do things which I never even thought of, right? So networking, of course, has played a major role in me evolving as a person. And in fact, my biggest referral of car spa, of, as I said, doing a private jet, which 140 crore people in the country have not done, and I was the first one to do it. That was a referral through our chapter member of BNI, and I am glad that I took this leap and then
Wow.
joined networking, and then it has helped us massively, right? That one referral has changed the way how I do business as well. So yeah, I can proudly say H2O Carspa's growth also is relationship driven and not just advertisement
driven. But I do vouch for that because I have now known you since a long time, Harsh, and the warmth that I feel with you, or even if you're dealing for work, it's never been just transactional. It's always been relationship driven.
Likewise. In fact, I felt the same with you as well. It always, helps us evolve in whatever we do. If we put, see, of course, business is a byproduct.
Yeah.
Relationships come first. If you go through that well, of course, business will follow. Is what
And
I
if the
think.
viewers are thinking that this is yours, you scratch my back, I scratch your back, this is what the community leads to. This is the
Exactly.
relationship and the camaraderie that it leads to.
Well, that's exactly how my story started. I started young when I was just 21 with nothing but just an ambition to do the best at what I do in whatever business I chose. Ambition is powerful. You need discipline and consistency to achieve in whatever space you are in. So yeah, and the most important point is start small but start right. Build relationships over profits, and most importantly, don't compare your day 1 with someone's year 10. That's how I started.
Wow, Harsh, that was a very, very powerful statement. But kind of taking a leaf from what you said, I also believe that start even before you're ready. Like seriously, when I started Creative Crazy, I didn't have goals, I didn't have targets, I didn't have an investment, I didn't have a product, I didn't know what I was doing.
True.
But I started because I wanted to create something beautiful and something that made a difference, something that mattered. And today, looking back, I can proudly say that at Creative Crazy, we are one of the first people in the city to have started the concept of Dastavej box and possession kits for builders.
Impressive.
And today we work with at least the top 20 builders of Ahmedabad.
Wow.
So all of you people who are looking to start something new, start with an ambition. Make sure that you're not becoming a corporate clone, because there are enough. The world needs you, your wittiness, your quirkiness, your weirdness and your authenticity.
And what I would like to add to that, put and give your 100% to what you do, and I can guarantee you your hard work will always pay off sooner or later, is what I personally feel. It has worked very well for me.
So I would like to end it by saying that remember, every person that we admire, they also started somewhere at day 1 where we are today.
Exactly.
So guys, all the best. Consistency. Way to go, Harsh. Dhurandhar.
Ford versus Ferrari.
Wow, wow, wow. That I have it all figured out.
That I'm arrogant and unapproachable.
I think so too.
No, I'm not. Don't even ask. You should go first.
Earlier, I used to have about 120, but I have brought it down to 20.
So I'm not kidding. At one point in time, I had over 15,000 plus 100 messages. I have cut it down to around 1,000 now. Seriously, you wanna check?
Harsh, I'm speechless. I'm going to check your phone after this session. Heart.
For me, Atlas is fire. No. Wildfire.
Oh, ho, ho. So I'm very, very excited that you've asked me this, because I'm really manifesting it for this year, and it's a big leap for us. We're planning to launch Creative Crazy on Blinkit.
Wow.
So imagine getting...
So we'll be getting our orders in 10 minutes flat.
Yeah, so imagine getting luxuriously curated hampers at your doorstep in 10 minutes.
So I don't even think of someone doing this, or someone has even thought of doing this.
So I know it's a huge, huge step that we're trying to take. And like you say, if you say it out to the universe, it'll come back to you. That's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to put it out there so that all of us can put our energies and help me achieve this. Because I want people to know that, businesses can scale, businesses can have a soul, businesses still can be warm and still can scale up. So I think this is going to be a huge step for me, but that's my vision for Creative Crazy.
I am sure that you will be achieving that in no time with the kind of consistency and discipline that you already have in your business. I would wish you all the best for that particular manifestation that you have.
Thank you. But I want to know yours.
So mine is, again, a majority of the people already know that my ultimate dream is to open a huge car detailing studio in Dubai, right? Which is the hub or the mecca of supercars.
Of course.
Yeah. So every second, third car over there is a supercar. So I, being a supercar fan also, that is my ultimate dream that I want to achieve.
That's huge. But Harsh, just because we are on a BNI platform, I do want to give you your first reference for Dubai.
I would be more than happy to have that.
So yes, I'm going to wait for that, and your first reference is going to be from me for Dubai.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.